The Vegoran Steel Honeycomb Wok is a great addition to any home kitchen. It boasts a 13-inch size, perfect for stir-frying and many other cooking tasks. The stainless steel material ensures durability, and it looks good on your counter. This pan is designed with a special honeycomb pattern. This pattern creates a non-stick surface, so your food won't stick easily. The Vegoran Steel Honeycomb Wok works on different kinds of stovetops. You can use it on induction, ceramic, electric, and gas cooktops. This makes it a versatile pan for any home. The Stay Cool handle is a nice feature. It helps you hold the pan safely while you cook. Plus, the pan comes with a lid. The lid helps trap heat and moisture for even cooking. You can purchase this Vegoran Steel Honeycomb Wok online. Overall, this Vegoran 13-inch wok pan is a solid choice. It offers a good size and a non-stick surface. The pan is easy to use and clean. It works on many stovetops. And it has a helpful Stay Cool handle. If you need a reliable wok for your home, this pan is worth considering. It combines practicality with a user-friendly design, and it can handle various cooking methods. Pros: even heating, non-stick, easy to clean, scratch-resistant, cool handle, good grip, all. Stovetops, oven-safe, with lid. Cons: might stick sometimes, could be small for some, handle might get hot, non-stick may degrade. Cleaning could be tricky, durability is unknown, price might be high, lid may not fit well. Uneven heating possible, not truly non-stick features. Stir-fry design, non-stick tech, honeycomb base, Stay Cool handle, induction ready, ceramic. Safe, electric safe, gas safe, includes lid. This Vegoran 13-inch wok is great for stir-frying. It is made of stainless steel and has a non-stick honeycomb base. This helps food not stick and cook evenly. The handle stays cool when you are cooking. You can use this wok on different kinds of stoves like induction, ceramic, electric, and gas. It also comes with a lid. This 13-inch Vegoran wok is made of stainless steel with a honeycomb non-stick surface and a Stay Cool handle, designed to work on all kinds of stovetops and even in the oven. It aims to heat evenly, resist sticking and scratches, and be easy to clean. Plus it comes with a lid. However, some users might find it small. The handle could get hot. The non-stick might not last forever. Cleaning could sometimes be difficult, and it's unclear how long it will last also. The price might be high. The lid might not fit perfectly. Heating could be uneven, and it might not be truly non-stick.